Good morning and welcome to another Full Transparency Trading session where I am your host Sebastian, and today we're going to talk about what are demand zones and how I draw out my supply and demand zones. Okay, I'm going to show you really quickly by clicking on this plus sign. We're going to start from right here and just draw our way up. Now, what you guys will notice about my trades is a lot of my trades are taken out of these gray boxes with these purple outlines here, and these are what are known as my demand zones and my supply zones. And as you can see right now, we're moving right up towards one of my supply zones, which we'll reject off of, like you're currently seeing. We're getting to it, pushes us down. We get to it, it pushes us down. That is a strong level of resistance. That is what a supply zone is. And then a strong level of support is what a demand zone is. And what's happening in the demand zone is there's a large amount of orders that are just sitting there, right? And then they send the market back up. So basically, this is the lowest point at some point in time. You go over to the left, you go over to the right. It was the lowest point, and a lot of people are like, okay, cool. Since this was the lowest point, I'll put my orders to buy here. And then they'll just wait. They'll wait. That's for swing traders. They'll wait days and months or however long it takes to get back down there, right? And in most cases, it's just days. We come back down to it. We touch the floor at 57.50 and 60. I'm saying 50, 60, 58, right? We touch that floor and we exploded out of it. But let's go to a smaller time frame so you can see what was really happening. We were in there for quite some time. We were in my demand zone, hitting my demand zone for hours, literally 6 o'clock last night until touching the floor of it today. So whenever we touch the floor of my demand zone is when we're going to have our strongest reaction out of it. And the demand zone used to be, in most cases, was my supply zone. So if I go to the 4 hour time frame and I click the right, you'll see that all of these demand zones that you're looking at used to be supply zones, used to be areas where it was heavy resistance pushing us back down. That became support. Using the bodies of these candles, because these are the only bodies that we had within this area here, is how I drew them out. Zoom in on that so that you guys can see that nice and clear. So the bottom of the bodies of these candles is where I decided to put the bottom of the demand zone. Now if I go up to right there, you'll see that it lines up exactly. It lines up exactly with where we put it down to, and that's how you know you have a very accurate demand zone. This should be right here for the top. And yes, this is a $3 range. That's okay. Sometimes your demand zone is going to be a $3 range. Your demand zone on average is going to be much larger than your supply zone. The supply zone is just the top area that you hit before you had a strong rejection. Sometimes we get massive rejections that leave behind enormous wicks, and in that case, your supply zone will be large, and you'll see me cut it in half, right? In this particular instance, the supply zone is large because there's a massive wick to the downside. Just like there was a massive wick to the upside here. This is what I'm talking about when you get a massive wick to the upside and a rejection. In that case, my supply zone started here and went all the way up there. All right, so then we get into the bottom of the supply zone. It's like the basement. You're sitting down there, you're chilling, then all of a sudden, you gotta leave. You gotta go back upstairs. You go all the way back up. That's my alarm to tell me that it's 3 minutes till it's time to trade again. You go all the way back up and you take off. And now we've gone from the basement to right here to have a nice little pullback to 60.65 to taking us all the way up to 60.72, which is almost a $10 push. We hit my supply zone, which used to be a demand zone. In this particular case, we hit my supply zone and we reject off of it. It happens like this all the time, guys. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you'll start to see points of interest right there. The bodies of this candle right here, the bodies of this candle right there are areas that you're going to reject off of because it used to be strong levels of support, keeping it very simple for you guys. Now let's go up to the top and let's shrink this down a little bit. Now I'm going to show you how to draw them out using MES. I've completely cleared this chart. We're going to go to the 4 hour time frame and we're going to use MES. Now what's cool about the current high, right, is the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame look exactly alike. So that is how you know you got yourself a very strong supply zone. Boom, put that right there. Move it over here, drag it all the way out, giving yourself some extra days for us to hit that supply zone again. Now down here, 200 EMA is really lined up perfectly with the demand zone, but we're gonna go ahead and go to the 4 hour time frame because we want to be able to see it very clearly. We want to move this white line down here, and to remove these white lines all together, you'll click on this little time clock over here. You'll click on these 3 blue lines. You'll go to stop all active, click yes, and then you will go to remove all inactives, and click delete. So now we're going to create a new one right here at the body. Remember, the bodies of the candles are the true levels. The wicks are the manipulations. So you want to put that there. And then this little box over here is the same little box that I have up there. And you're just going to drag it from this little candle right here all the way across down to the bottom of that wick. And notice that the bottom of this wick pretty much lines up with the bottom of this candle here. And we came down and we stopped there and we went all the way back up. If you go to the 1 hour time frame and you scoot to the left, you'll start to see more bodies instead of just that. On the 4 hour, you see one large body. You start to see more bodies and more wicks touch right there, confirming. You go to the 15-minute time frame, you start to see a lot of touches, You go to the 5-minute time frame, you start to see a ton of touching over and over and over again. We're hitting it. We go to the bottom of it, we touch it, and it sends us back north. And now we're looking to break this area here. So you'll get changes of characters, things that I'll explain later on from the trading. Click these lines to go back to your wish list. I gotta go because it's like literally 20 seconds until it's time to trade. But we are gonna send it back north. I think we're gonna pull it back down to right here one more time. If we don't pop off, where we at? We at 68 cent right now. Yeah, we're at 35 cent right now. We might have a quick little pullback before we go back up. But we could go all the way back up here to 606 really quickly. So let me get ready for my 9:30 trade, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like I said, we're gonna have a pullback, and look at what we do. We have a pullback right back to this area here. So I'd be looking to set up a trade. In this particular situation, I would go like 5 contracts right here. Let's do 2. Risking 125, going 40 ticks. We're gonna put it right here. Buy 2, and buy. So that set up my trade right there. We'll see how that works. Now we're hitting the 200 EMA, so we might get a reaction there, but we should come all the way down to my entry here and then react. Come to my entry first. This is the support. Get me in there. This is my exit point, $650. Get me in there, baby. Oh, we're so close. Oh, get me in there first. Don't go without getting me in. Let's go. Now we're just gonna take profit right here. Going negative 25. Keep going up. As long as we don't break this level, we're fine. We gave ourselves $100. All right, going back up. We break this level, we're going to the low or whatever, but we should go back up first. So we're looking for a 605. And we're looking to take profit right at the blue line. That was a beautiful pullback, almost 100% accurate. I'm just looking to lock in some quick profit right here. There we go, above my blue line. Take it all the way back up. All right, so we got a quick rejection there, which I wanted to take it all the way back up, but I'm glad I can get a quick trade in there for you guys. These areas of support happen all the time. And dang it. If I could have held a couple more seconds on that, it would have sent us north. But that's the end of this video, guys. That's how I take a lot of my trades off of these blue lines and stuff like that. And I understand areas of support and areas of resistance. And it's going to go all the way back up. And dang it, I just missed out on $605. Yeah, I locked in a little too soon. I should have waited a few more seconds because this thing's going to go right back up to my supply zone. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. But listen, always take the easy money, guys. You guys see me do it every single day. I get in here, I take a simple trade, I take the easy money. Give me 1 second here. I'm doing a video. Give me 1 second. I take the easy money and then I go on about my business. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be safe out there. Happy hunting. And that's it. All right, we got that beautiful rejection. We're gonna lock in the 750. So we're looking to lock in 750 here. We went all the way down to the demand zone, basically. Just got me in. Give me the 750, baby. That's all I'm asking for. I don't need the 3,000. We're starting to see some weakness here, so we're going to take profit. Open up a dual screen. This screen over here is going to go to our ES. So that I can click the X there. Looking to take this back up to right here. So we're only looking for $750. Everything above 750 is awesome. We'll close out at 500. Come on, go north. There we go. Go north. We should get all the way back up to the 200 EMA. It is 937 though, so we don't want to catch another big strong push down. They're trying to push it all the way down to the bottom of the demand zone. They don't have enough force. We should get 750 cleanly. Again. Like I said, I'll lock in 500. It's a big strong candle there. I like it. We need to go back up the body of this candle, or I'm gonna have to lock in a small profit. Come on, support. Get some support. Push. Get the 50 cent. We need 604.50. 604.50. Ooh, that was a hard push down right there. Wow, we lost all 750 of it. All right, so that gives us another tap in. Another strong push up. There we go. Send it, send it, send it, send it. Send it to 50 cents. Send it to 50 cents. We got a strong level of support here, guys. We like the strong level of support. Send it to 50 cents, though. Come on, NVIDIA, do a little something for me. We don't want to just accept $300, but we'll take it. Give us the full 750. Let's go, 750. $750. Let's go. There's 312. Breakout. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 750. 750. Let's go. Get back up there. We almost there. We gonna lock in that 500. We ain't crazy. What is that? 60, 63. We gonna lock in that 500. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, girl. Ooh, don't let them fight you like that. Don't let them be rude to you. Go back up to 50 cent. We are not tripping. We will lock in that $500, girl. We'll take it. We'll take it. 60, 63 is what we're looking for. 60, 63. Come on, we need 75 more cents, gang. Going to the 40s. Ooh, these rejections are killing me. I'm gonna manual close this time, guys, because it's just not giving it to me for long. I want to wait for $750, but they're not giving it to me for long, so I'm gonna have to manual close because they will rip through this 30 cents. If we go below 30 cents, they'll go to 20 cents with no problem. Come on, get back up to 50 cents. 50 cents, 50 cents. 50 cents. Let me lock in that 500. 375, 437, 500, modify. All right, we locked in 500 no matter what, guys. There we go. We'll take the 500. I'm not going to sweat it out no longer. And of course, it's going to go up to 750 again. It's probably going to go to $1,000. Take what you see. If it's like that, if it's crazy like that, take what you see. Don't play with it. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. That's 2 trades back to back. Got 100. We got 500. Like we said, it was going to pull back. We knew it was going to pull all the way down here to the demand zone. We got just above the demand zone, which is exactly where our entry was. Don't get no better than that, guys. Doesn't get any better than that. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for checking out another Full Transparency Trading Session where I am your host, Sebastian, and we take that easy money every time, baby. We take the easy money every single time, okay? $500 is a great freaking day. I don't ever want you to look like, oh, it's just $500. It's just $200. I don't care if you're bringing in $35. If you're bringing in money out this stock market, you are ahead of 90% of the people who day trade. To stay profitable, you need to take profits. All right, understand that. And all it is once you get good, add more contracts. Oh, it's hurt me. I can't look at it no more. Oh, we at $800. We about to hit 1,000. Oh, it's hurt me, y'all. I love you, baby. I love you so much. You're a good sugar mama, but that hurt me right there. I can't. You told me to wait. I know you told me to wait. I should have listened. That's on me. That's on me. I'm out of here, y'all.